English Speaking Practice Series for Beginners. Episode 35.
Let's practice 100 common English questions and answers for daily conversations.
Where can I find the restroom here? Where can I find the restroom here?
The restroom is just on the right over there. The restroom is just on the right over there.
Did you buy your apartment? Did you buy your apartment?
No, I'm renting it. No, I'm renting it.
When did you move into your place? When did you move into your place?
I moved in last year. I moved in last year.
Are you new to this university? Are you new to this university?
Not at all, I've been here since my freshman year. Not at all, I've been here since my freshman year.
How long have you been living in this city? How long have you been living in this city?
I've lived in this city for about 5 years now. I've lived in this city for about 5 years now.
Do you prefer city life or country life? Do you prefer city life or country life?
I definitely prefer city life. I definitely prefer city life.
How far is the airport from where you live? How far is the airport from where you live?
The airport is about 20 miles away from my place. The airport is about 20 miles away from my place.
How do you usually get to campus? How do you usually get to campus?
I usually take the bus to campus. I usually take the bus to campus.
Do you know Alex from our chemistry class? Do you know Alex from our chemistry class?
Yes, we've been friends since childhood. Yes, we've been friends since childhood.
Is there a bank near here where I can withdraw some cash? Is there a bank near here where I can withdraw some cash?
Yes, there's a bank just nearby. Yes, there's a bank just nearby.
If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for many more lessons. Can I speak to Alex? Do you know if he's around? Can I speak to Alex? Do you know if he's around?
I'm sorry, he's not here at the moment. I'm sorry, he's not here at the moment.
Do you have an appointment later? Do you have an appointment later?
Yes, I have one at 11 a.m. for a group project meeting. Yes, I have one at 11 a.m. for a group project meeting.
When will Alex be back? Do you know? When will Alex be back? Do you know?
He should be back in about 30 minutes. He should be back in about 30 minutes.
Excuse me, what was that you said? Excuse me, what was that you said?
I said he'll be back soon. I said he'll be back soon.
Is there anything else I can do for you? Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you for your time. No, thank you for your time.
Anything else? Anything else?
Nothing else, please. Nothing else, please.
May I ask you something? May I ask you something?
Yes, what is your question? Yes, what is your question?
What happened to you? What happened to you?
I had a biking accident last weekend. I had a biking accident last weekend.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was perfect, actually. Had a great time in class. It was perfect, actually. Had a great time in class.
Where can I park when we go downtown? Where can I park when we go downtown?
You can park anywhere on the street after 6 p.m., it's free. You can park anywhere on the street after 6 p.m., it's free.
Are these books yours? Are these books yours?
Yes, they're mine. Yes, they're mine.
Why do you like this book so much? Why do you like this book so much?
It has an interesting plot. It has an interesting plot.
Why do you want to learn Spanish? Why do you want to learn Spanish?
Because I want to travel to Spain next year. Because I want to travel to Spain next year.
Whose book is on the table? Whose book is on the table?
It's my sister's book, she left it here. It's my sister's book, she left it here.
Whose phone is ringing? Whose phone is ringing?
Oh, that's mine. Sorry, let me silence it. Oh, that's mine. Sorry, let me silence it.
How do you spend your evenings? How do you spend your evenings?
I usually spend them reading books or catching up on homework. I usually spend them reading books or catching up on homework.
What do you do when you have some free time? What do you do when you have some free time?
I love to read and listen to music, sometimes play guitar. I love to read and listen to music, sometimes play guitar.
Do you enjoy gardening? Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening really relaxing and rewarding. Yes, I find gardening really relaxing and rewarding.
Are you a morning person or a night owl? Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely more of a night owl. How about you? Definitely more of a night owl. How about you?
Where are you going next? Where are you going next?
Next, I will go to the store. Next, I will go to the store.
What did the mouse eat? What did the mouse eat?
The mouse nibbled on the cheese. The mouse nibbled on the cheese.
How should we behave during the movie? How should we behave during the movie?
Please keep quiet during the movie. Please keep quiet during the movie.
What can you say about the book's length? What can you say about the book's length?
The book is short and easy to read. The book is short and easy to read.
What do some people think about pugs? What do some people think about pugs?
Some people think pugs are ugly, but I find them cute. Some people think pugs are ugly, but I find them cute.
What needs fixing on your bike? What needs fixing on your bike?
The wheel on my bike needs fixing. The wheel on my bike needs fixing.
What's the climate like in Antarctica? What's the climate like in Antarctica?
Antarctica is a cold and snowy continent. Antarctica is a cold and snowy continent.
Where does the sun set? Where does the sun set?
The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west.
What do you love the taste of? What do you love the taste of?
I love the taste of sweet strawberries. I love the taste of sweet strawberries.
Who smiled as she walked down the street? Who smiled as she walked down the street?
The woman smiled as she walked down the street. The woman smiled as she walked down the street.
What do wet clothes need to do? What do wet clothes need to do?
The clothes are still wet, they need to dry. The clothes are still wet, they need to dry.
What are young children full of? What are young children full of?
Young children are full of energy and curiosity. Young children are full of energy and curiosity.
Where does the sun rise? Where does the sun rise?
The sun rises in the north. The sun rises in the north.
How do you feel after a busy day? How do you feel after a busy day?
I feel tired after a long day. I feel tired after a long day.
What do you want when you're hungry? What do you want when you're hungry?
I'm hungry, let's get some food. I'm hungry, let's get some food.
What should you do when it's dark? What should you do when it's dark?
Turn on the light, it's too dark. Turn on the light, it's too dark.
What do you sometimes feel on weekends? What do you sometimes feel on weekends?
Sometimes I'm lazy on weekends. Sometimes I'm lazy on weekends.
How far is the park from here? How far is the park from here?
It's a long way to the park. It's a long way to the park.
How are we going to the zoo? How are we going to the zoo?
We'll go to the zoo by car. We'll go to the zoo by car.
Who gave a great performance? Who gave a great performance?
The actor performed really well. The actor performed really well.
How do you feel after eating a big meal? How do you feel after eating a big meal?
I ate too much, now I'm full. I ate too much, now I'm full.